Hello YouTube users, this is a tutorial on how to get 3dfiction, or as a lot of people call it, the greatest iPhone or iPod Touch theme ever. Normally you have to SSH it or buy it from a website, but this is how to do it without using SSH. You just need a jailbroken iPhone or iPod Touch and Cydia. So right now, go ahead and open up Cydia. Wait for it to load up. And sorry about the noise with the static. I don't know what the problem is. I'm using Cam Studio to record this, so it might have something to do with that. I'm not really sure. If you have any tips on how to fix it, just go ahead and leave a comment. That'd be really helpful. Appreciate it. So, go ahead and let that load up. And actually, just for the sake of time, I'm going to pause the video and I will come back to it when it's done loading. Okay, I'm back. Now, after Cydia is done loading, you are going to have to add a source. So, go ahead, click Manage, hit Sources, Edit, Add. And the source you're going to need to add is Cydia.myphone, MIPHONE .ca/repo/, and you're just going to add source. I'm not going to do that because I already have the source. There you see right there, it'll come up as Cron's iOS app repo. So once you have added that source, you can just go ahead and click on it and go down to the numbers. And there you see there are 4 different ones. Each of them are different. My recommendation is 3dfiction 1, probably because it is the original and I think it looks the best, but you can download any of them. It does not matter. They're all really good, but I'm just going to go ahead and get 3dfiction 1. And you're just going to click Install. And just let that load. And when it goes to the next screen, in the spot where it had Install, you're just going to hit Confirm. So I gotta wait for this to load up. And however long it takes, it doesn't matter. As long as it doesn't freeze up, then you are okay. So there you see, popped up, and it's just loading real quick. So just let that load. And you're going to go ahead and click on Confirm. And you see it's 7 megabytes, so it might take a little bit, but just let it take as long as it needs. And again, I'm just going to pause the video and come back when it is done downloading. Okay, so once 3dfiction is done downloading, you go ahead and click Return to Cydia. And before you hit the home button, there is also an icon theme that goes with 3dfiction. And that is, we can just go into search, and it is called Glass Orbs. So I'll just type in glass real quick and see. Okay, I'll just hit search. So then you go to the G's, and there it is, glass orb. It's the original one. It goes perfectly with the 3dfiction. So again, go ahead and install. Let it load up. Oh, come on. Hurry up. Okay, there it goes. It's loading. And again, you're just going to do the same thing. Click Confirm. Okay, so the glass orbs has finished downloading. So now that should be it, unless you also want to get the other 3D Fiction themes. So you can go ahead, hit the home button, and wait for it to go back to the springboard. Okay, and then, of course, I'm sure everyone knows how to respring a theme on your springboard, but just in case, go into Winterboard, select themes, of course, and there is Glass Orb and 3D Fiction. So you just check mark those two. I'm just going to put this one at the top just because it's the main theme. And then hit the home button again, and your phone will start respringing. Your phone or iPod Touch, whichever one. So I'm just going to wait for it to come back up so I can bring it back up onto my computer. So I'm just waiting for it. Okay, so it has coming back up. And lock screen. And here is the 3D Fiction theme, or the greatest theme ever. Now, it is a moving theme, so that is why my screen looks really laggy. But once you get it, you will see it for yourself. It is a really amazing theme. It probably is one of the best themes, but the Glass Orbs, it does not support a lot of icons. It, like, let's say for example, the Twitter theme is still the same, and some radio themes, because I have a radio theme right here, Shazam Red. So you see that, and then if you can also see, there it is with Twitter, and also have a metadata remover, which you can find in Cydia with the cydia-hackulo.us source. But I will put the source for the 3D Fiction and Glass Orb theme in the description. And there you go. I hope you have fun with this theme, and I hope you really like it.